So it's finally arrived, everybody. I have an awesome Helion tablet ready and waiting to go away to one winner. So this brand new tablet that you can see here is quite an awesome addition to any designer's arsenal. It's actually really quite big as well, as you can see scaled up next to my hand. With the tablet also comes a cleaning cloth as well as this cool little glove. So if you do want a chance to win, head over to the link in the description below. There you're going to find several different ways to enter the giveaway, and you can actually use all of the available ways to enter. It's going to be completely random and decided by Gleam software. The winner will be announced in 1 week's time from today. So again everybody, good luck, and thank you to everybody for supporting my channel and responding to what content I make here at Satori Graphics. So have a great day everybody, and until next time, design your future today. Peace.